All right. Yeah, I think we should be live now. This is nice. I thought I'll go live a bit earlier just to chat with all of you. What's going on? Okay, sorry. Yeah, all right. If anyone is around, please hop in, say hi, and then we will start working on a few things that I've planned already for the day. If anyone is here, please let me know. And we can start. If anyone is here, no one yet, but we will wait because I'm 30 minutes earlier. All right, let me ping this link to my family as well, so that if they want to join, they can. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining. If anyone is watching this after this has been streamed, thank you for watching the recording as well. It's a new mic. Hope you guys can hear me properly as well. The older mic wasn't working properly, but anyways, yeah. Think probably my first, not really my first, but my second stream from Bangalore, and I want to do it regularly. It's just a lot of energy that goes in, right? That you have to plan your day accordingly. So I'm still experimenting how this goes because a lot of people still like videos over streams. Although honestly, I feel that streams are a bit better in terms if you want to see how development goes on. I still think that streams are better. In any case, uh, what we are going to do today is we had an app called Image Annotator Rust app, right? And we have been working on that. So today we will try to finish the testing as well as try to fix a few bugs. If not, then we will identify a few bugs and then we'll fix them. So it's like there's absolutely no way that there are going to be, no bugs. We'll find them. So today is going to be bug bounty kind of thing, that I'm going to gift myself if I find bugs. If anyone finds bugs for me, of course, you will not get any money for that. You can just probably fix that and that will mark you as a contributor to that project. Okay, so that is good. I'm gonna be here for more 5 to 10 minutes as well. Then we're gonna start development. All right, so meanwhile, if anyone is here, you can say hi. If you're not here, you can't say hi because that's not possible. Uh, if that was humanly possible, you would have done it, I know. So yes, if you see me looking at the left screen, that is me checking the chat. If you see me looking at the right side, that is me checking the OBS studio. If you see me looking at you, that's me looking at my main screen. All right, so just to let you all know, so I'm not really ignoring anyone, okay? All right, all right. If you're here, guys, say hi. If you don't know English, say whatever language you know. I don't know. आता होगा यार English सबको. But now I'm talking Hindi, which is kind of weird. क्योंकि मैं English में बात कर रहा था अभी. Anyways, we can start now. Not gonna waste a lot of time asking people to say hi. That's kind of weird. पता नहीं क्या दिक्कत है. But anyways, let's start. Okay. So today I will quickly wrap it up and let me quickly move myself on the top right. Okay, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, let's actually bring it here. Can I please bring it here? Okay, okay, no, this is all good. Okay, no, this is good. Sorry, this was good. I want the camera. Probably on the top left would be better. Now I'm thinking about it because I want people to look at me on the top right, but top right is important at times. So I'm not very sure. Let's experiment and then decide. Mama is here. Hi, Mama. What's up? Kahin chale? Okay, alright. I'm gonna start. Alright. What's up, mom? So just for information, everyone, I'm over here. So there are few changes I did in this branch. So this is testing image visualizer, okay? And this is the branch I'm working on. So there are a few modules in our app, for example, right? One is image visualizer, one is rendering, where we actually render the whole image. We find out what are the files in a folder and all, right? So we have already tested that one part. Today it's about testing the image visualizer. Okay, so let me quickly show you. If I do cargo test and test threads is one, what that means is I just want to avoid multi-threading, okay, and then I just want to have one single thread for here. Miss you too, mama. Thank you for coming here. And in the stream, let me quickly check. All right, okay, all good. So let's start working on it. So recently when I was recording a video, if you haven't seen that video, let me quickly link that video in the chat so that you guys can see it. Meanwhile, I'll just put it here. So this is the app, and let me link the app over here in the chat. Okay, so the thing that's going wrong over here is when I click on, for example, light and dark, this is all good, this is working, this is something I really enjoyed as well implementing. If I click on select folder, let's select src for example, let's click on next over here. Initially, so let's go to probably nvim. I would do output.json. That's where everything is stored, right? And let's delete this file maybe because I don't want this, and let's start afresh. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to export, right? And export will actually create this output.json file again. And if you see that this this is 9:39 p.m., which is all right. Okay, so all of these are at the same time. Now if I say mark is correct, now I'm going to export it again. What that should do is it should actually update the time, right? But it doesn't. Even though if you see that this is true now, the timestamp have not been updated. So this doesn't really solve the purpose of last updated. Okay, now instead of directly fixing it, what I want to do is I want to first analyze this bug, which we have already done. Then we have to reproduce this in our testing so that we make sure that our testing does what it's supposed to do, right? And then we will move on and try to fix it so that once the test pass, we are sure that, okay, this has been fixed. Okay, so I know how will we fix this, but I don't want to fix it straight away. I want to make sure that we either test that break because of this bug, and once we know, okay, this is breaking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix it. Okay, so that's what we will be doing. All right, so let's quickly stop this. Okay, let's quickly this is from renderimage.rs. okay, we are already testing a lot of things, but timestamp is one thing that we were not testing, and that's the only thing that has failed. Okay, so it's very weird because I thought, okay, I can leave timestamp because it doesn't matter. Now it matters. Okay, so one thing I can probably do over here is I can make sure, see, the bug is all about when you click on the export button initially, the output.json is created, right? In that, the timestamp is there whenever you click on the export button. Okay, the next time you click on the export button with or without changes, okay, right there, the last updated timestamp is not updated, right? So that is still what it was before. Now my point is there are two scenarios we can have, right? The first scenario is where, oops, sorry. So the first scenario, okay, please stay. Yeah, so the first scenario is where you have clicked on the export button again, but nothing has changed, right? In that case, the last updated timestamp should still stay the same, right? Not because you exported it again, you should have it. That's a bit complicated, and maybe we'll try to look at it later on. Let's see how difficult it's gonna be. The next scenario is where when you click on the export button, something has changed. So of course something has been updated, right? So the last updated timestamp should be when you click on the export button. That should be it. Okay, so let's try to handle the second scenario. We're gonna come back on the first scenario later on when we start looking at this app for the version 1.0 release. Okay, so for now, let's start working. Hope you guys can see me properly. If there's not proper lighting, let me know because I don't have a solution. So in that case, just turn on your lights. And if you still cannot see me, let's get on a call and look at each other so that you can see me. Anyways, jokes apart, let's write the test load last updated timestamp. So here particularly I'm gonna test the last updated timestamp, so that's what I'm writing. Hope you guys can look at, I mean, if you want me to zoom in further, I can do that as well. It should be good. Ideally it should be good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is first of all I'm gonna write it over here. So okay, let's take a look, right? So I will definitely need this. how can I click on the export button myself? That's the point in the test, right? So initialize is of course gonna be there. Load JSON and update. Okay. Does that do anything, sir? Do you do anything? Do you do anything in terms of no? So let's look at what happens when you click on the export button, right? So I'm gonna search for export, right? There you go. So what happens, right, when you have this eyes replication, right? And the way these message works is whenever you click on this event, right, a message is, let's say a message is like broadcasted, and over here it's called the export message. Okay, so I'm going to search for export over here. If you see, this is the definition. I'm going to open it in the vertical split. I'm going to close it here. Okay, there you go. So over here all we do is write JSON, right, and whatever JSON object you had, that's gonna write it. Okay, so let's go to write JSON and see what it does. So it says load JSON and update, right? So if you want to test export button, you can just test load JSON and update. Nothing else is nothing else is happening, which is actually very interesting. Okay, so all right, let's try to just resize it a bit. So over here all that is happening, hope you guys can, yeah, I think you can read this, right? So over here we get insert folder path dot toString. This is all good. So this happens when you already have a path. Okay, in that case we just update all the values. So JSON object dot image property, image to properties map. So that's the point. I think it's just not being updated. Okay, so that's the only thing we need to care about. Okay, so how do you, so when do you really update it, right? That's the point. So so what should be the timestamp, by the way? When you click on export, should that timestamp be loaded? Now I'm thinking about it, right? For each folder, there can be only one timestamp. Right? I mean, for each file, there can be a timestamp. Yeah, that would be actually cool, even though it may not be the topmost requirement of everyone to have it this way, but it would be cool if for every file, whenever you have edited it, you actually give that timestamp to the user, right? So over here what I'm doing right now is load JSON and update. Whenever you say that okay, we have got the JSON object, please export it to output.json file, we'll just iterate through all the image to properties map values. Okay, so we have a hash map. Now then we write this to the output JSON file. Okay, over here again I repeat, the last updated timestamp is not working. So what can I do? I can actually look forward to whenever you, so I think let's, yeah, so over here we have a few messages, right? For example, comment edit, comment type, theme changed. Theme change is not really important, right? Because if you change the theme, nothing is like significant that you should record. Comment type is not relevant here. Comment edit is relevant. Choose folder path is not relevant. Then you have reset selection, yes. Mark it, no. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, let's do it, right? So reset selection is important. Mark as correct is important. Mark as incorrect is important. Next and previous are not important, right? So we have 3 and then we have commented as well. So we have 4 messages that we need to record. So these last updated timestamp will be coming from these 4 messages, okay? So let's actually look at for, I mean, look out for mark as correct, okay? Over here, there you go. Right, so on the right you will see image step message, mark as correct, right? So whenever you click on the correct button, this message is going to be broadcasted. So essentially it's like a callback, right? Whenever you click on this is going to be called. So over here I have mark as correct, and if the index is valid, I do correct items of that particular index is equal to true. Then I say new annotation equal to whatever true. Okay, that means the annotation has been added. New steps object incorrect button clicked equal to false, and new commit equal to none. Okay, now over here we have not really changed the timestamp. Okay, so let's look at the timestamp. Where are we actually changing it? I think so that we might have it last updated. Okay, let's look at here. Okay, local now to string. Okay, so over here let's go back where we were. Over here, when you have added the comment, you can do last updated equal to right. So you have local now to string, and then you have last updated. Now this can be new steps object dot last updated is there, right? Wait a minute, what is new steps object dot JSON object dot image to properties map dot, yeah, we don't need to do this. Okay, so this is done. So all we can do is last updated, and over here I can have let last updated and that can be some local now dot to string. That's it. So initially this last updated is over here, then it's changed. So let's go back, let's mark it as mute because we want to change it. I'm thinking we can have it just some or maybe none, right, since it's optional. So let's mark it as option string, right? Over here then you have, oops, okay, yeah, okay, all right, so we have it here. Then what I'm going to do is, once you have this, so once you have added the comment last updated, right, over here, so you will have JSON object dot image to properties map. New annotation, let's also have last updated timestamp. Okay, so let's also return this. So I'm going to go back, 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 I'm going to go back over here. So okay, where was I? What's the order? I forgot. Right, so this is ideally not good, by the way. Like, we should actually create a container for this, but for now this is fine because we are still in our bootstrap stage. We haven't raised the funding yet, right? Once we raise the funding, we will start working on this later. Okay, so this is good, right? So once you have added a comment, whatever the new updated timestamp is, that will be returned. Okay, so this update is going to be called, let's just look at this update, right? Where is it called? Okay, where are you called, bro? Okay, there you go. This is called here. See how easy this is, and here you can get new updated timestamp. That's it. And over here, all I have to do is, in any case, if this is modified, new steps object dot modified. Okay, okay, I'm listening to you. Okay, I'm listening to you. Yeah, probably I don't even need to do this. Let's look at it again, right? Let's look at this again. Can I actually change the value? Where was I? I was here. Comment added, right? So I can actually try doing this new steps object dot JSON object dot, right? So image to properties map is the hash map we are using. If I can get last updated, okay, that's gonna give me the last updated timestamp, but that's not gonna give me the, like, that's not going to allow me to edit it, right? So let's look out for image to properties map. So yeah, that's what they're doing here. So they're creating a new JSON object, and that's why they're able to do this. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, they're making a copy. We are getting steps object, is it? Okay, we get steps object, is it? By the way, guys, if you're here, like, don't hesitate to say hi. You know, just a normal thing in India we do, right? We meet each other. What do we say? We say hi, right? So let's try to do that. Oh, hey, hi, Aditya. Sorry, I didn't know that this will work. I was just trying to see if this works. Oh, hi, Disha. Okay. Wow. All right. Okay. So you guys were just watching me doing XYZ, and suddenly you guys pop up. Aditya, this is your first time as well, right? And Disha, this is your first time as well. I think in the chat at least. I'm not sure if you have watched the video. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. Anyways, yes, thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Na 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 na. Silent for you, is it? Thank you, यार. बता दिया करो, you know, जब आया करो तो थोड़ा क्या होता है when silent guest comes in, right? You don't know, you don't remember कि अच्छा उनको खाना भी serve करना है. Sometimes this happens when I start my stream and I don't know actually if anyone is here or not. I end the stream without even saying bye. Or like even today, I was supposed to go live at 10 o'clock, but then I know nobody comes. So I was like, ठीक है 9:30 चाहते हैं, anyways कोई आता नहीं है. So एक वो उम्मीदें चली गई हैं लाइफ में, ऐसा कुछ मोटिवेशन रहा नहीं है. But ठीक है, I'm glad that you came. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So anyways, let's quickly get this working. Okay. So what I'm going to do is over here, cell.correct items, new objects dot modified. Yeah, I'll just mark it as okay. That is all good. Yeah, exactly. Right. So over here, this thing, right? This is what we have to change. Right. So what I'm going to do here is cell.json object. See, this JSON object contains, so this is an annotated store struct which has a hash map. Hash map has a string which is the folder path. That folder path has a vector of properties. Properties is a struct. So when you unwrap it, that gives you the vector of properties. Then you try to get the mutable version of it by calling the, like, whatever the current index of the file is. See, in a single folder you will have 10 files, for example. Each file will have some X properties. For example, if that file is correct or incorrect, when was it last updated, right? So that's why you have a vector of properties, and then you get the property for that particular index that you are looking out for. Then you unwrap is basically, see, in Rust you have an option enum. So when you unwrap it, that means where it's just trying to find out like whether there is a value or not. Okay, if there is no value, it will just fail over there. So it will panic. I know it's going to be there because I'm testing all these things before only. So this will always work. Over here, I can just do dot comments instead of saying this. I can do last updated, and I can do last updated dot timestamp dot clone. And over here, it's not last update, it's new updated timestamp. All right, so this is done. That's it. Okay, so this is done, and ideally this should work. Okay, so I'm very excited to try this out. All right, so let's see if this works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let's go and write this test over here. Should have written the test first. But anyways, load JSON and update. No, so what we need to do to test this is we have to call the comment added function, which we are not doing it right now, but let me actually see if this is fixed. Last updated timestamp not found in the scope. Oh yeah, because you don't have it as global variable or something. Oh, okay. So over here, the problem was I was returning last updated timestamp. I can just return last updated. That's it. Okay, let's try to run this app. You guys already know, right, what was the value of output.json. Okay, let me quickly show you. So this is the value, right? 939, you remember? Okay, you guys can see on the screen. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select folder and click on src, which is the same folder we have here. If you see, this is what we have, src. Okay, so we are selecting the, oh, you can't see, right? I think you can see here. So we have src main.rs, right? When I click on select folder, we have selected the folder. You can also change the theme, by the way. It's very cool. I keep changing theme for the same reason. Right, and when I click on mark as incorrect, and let's add a comment. Okay, let's add a comment. Now what that should do is, see, the time is 9:56 p.m. right now. Okay, and what that should do, it should actually, yay, nice. See, this has updated the timestamp, but it has updated for all the files, which is wrong. So earlier this was not being updated. Now this is being updated. That is actually not bad. Okay, so 20, yeah, 47. Okay, so just way it's iterating, right? Now this is something I need to figure out, because not always you should have this. Okay, I'm thinking about this now, because only for this particular index 0 we updated the timestamp. I mean, we added the comment, right? So it should not have changed it for the index 1 and 2. Okay. Acha, hi bro, hi, what's up? It's been a long day. क्या हाल चाल भाई? गॉड आए आज हमारी स्ट्रीम में, बताइयो. बिजी लोग, डांट खाने वाला हूँ आज. क्या हाल चाल भाई? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग विद our own moderator, guys. The only person who has been in every single stream on this channel is here. Yes, आज stream की है. Yes, की है क्या? अपनी बात कर रहे हैं क्या? Did you stream today? Is it? क्या बात है यार, God level. बताया भी नहीं. अच्छा आप मेरी बात कर रहे हैं, ओके ओके। यस यार, खाना बनाया, रोटी बनाई, चावल बनाया, सब्जी सुबह की थी वो गरम की, अम, खाना खाया, उसके बाद बर्तन धोए, बर्तन धोने के बाद थोड़ा पढ़ाई किया, गाने गाए, तारक मेहता देखा, और मैं स्ट्रीम करने आ गया। दैट वाज द होल 8:30 टू 9:30 PM। दीदी कैसी हैं? आ डिपेंड्स, व्हाट यू मीन बाय दीदी? दैट डिपेंड्स ब्रो। अभी थोड़े मज़े लेने आए तो अगर तो थोड़ा पब्लिकली ना लिया जाए तो आई अप्रिशिएट दैट, बट ठीक है, अब दोस्तों को कौन मना कर सकता है। दैट्स ओके, दैट्स ऑल गुड। ठीक है, छेड़ लो भाई, छेड़ लो, ठीक है। शादी होगी भाई दीदी की, कियारा दीदी इज़ मैरिड। एनीवेज, लास्ट अपडेटेड टाइम इज़ हियर। मम्मी भी देख रही है बाय द वे। मम्मी, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। लास्ट अपडेट टाइम डॉट क्लोन कर दिया है। माइक तो सही लग रहा है, कौन सा लिया यार? ये लिया श्योर MV7, तुझे पता है, तुझसे ही पूछ के लिया था, तूने ही बताया था ये वाला लेने को। अच्छा है ना? इज साउंडिंग गुड ना मोहित? गाइस, बाकी लोगों को आ रही नहीं आ रही है? बस यू गाइस कैन कम एंड चैट एज वेल बाय द वे। ऐसा नहीं है लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट मी एंड मोहित एंड जस्ट मी। थोड़ा तुम लोग भी ऐसे बात कर सकते हो बाय द वे। अच्छा लगता है, यू हैव अ कनेक्शन, नेटवर्किंग ऐसी होती है, जॉब मिलती है फिर ऐसे, ठीक है। ऑल तो मुझे नहीं मिली ऐसे कभी, बट हाँ, यू माइट गेट इट। सो हाँ, एंड वी आर हायरिंग बाय द वे गाइस। सच अ शेमलेस प्लग। मुझे फायर कर देंगे लोग, बोलेंगे ऐसे ऐसे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनोगे हमारा। ओके, लेट्स क्विकली फाइंड आउट क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि मोहित तो आ गया है और मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो चुका हूँ। और ये जिससे पहले, ये मैंने कब बताया? हाउ डू यू नो दिशा? आने दो, लाइक हमारा भी वक्त आएगा, याद रखना। मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने ही तो आता हूँ, यस। झूठ क्या है इसमें, सच ही तो है। मतलब सपोर्ट करने भी आता है तो ऐसा नहीं है, बट डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी करता ही है तो आधे वक्त। आके सबसे पहले हाँ बरोबर कौन करता है, बताना ज़रा। या बाय द वे दिशा, यू रिमेंबर आई हैड गिवन यू कुछ तो कोड दिया था, वो हुआ था? नहीं हुआ था ना? सी, एंड देन अभी बहाने आएंगे सामने से, अरे यार फ्री टाइम नहीं मिला, ये नहीं मिला, वो नहीं मिला, राइट? और दैट ऑल इज गोना कम। बड़े लोग, थक गया हूँ मैं बता बता के। लेकिन नहीं, लाओ क्या कोड करना है। आजा भाई, तू ही आजा बैंगलोर यार प्लीज़ मोहित, मैं देता हूँ करके। गॉड लेवल सी शार्प में नहीं करना है। नहीं नहीं दिशा, बहाने नहीं, चलो चलो ठीक है, बहुत बहुत। ये हमारे साथ नहीं चलेगा, दिस इज इतनी गलत बात है। अरे यार, आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग इट हियर। कुछ नहीं किया होगा इसने, आई एम ट्रस्ट मी, यू हैवंट इवन लुक्ड एट द कोड। हाय यर, हाय यर, यरुष्ट, दैट्स सच अ कूल नेम बाय द वे। Kushashwa, I used to think that Kushashwa is the only name that people can't pronounce. Here you are. Thank you so much for joining. पीछे कोई है? बहारो फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है। हाय यरुष, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग यार, दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट टाइम इन द स्ट्रीम आई गेस। कर्टन के पीछे, कर्टन के पीछे बर्तन सूख रहे हैं, खाना बन चुका है, खाना मैं खा चुका हूँ। इफ़ कोई भूत है यहाँ पे तो प्लीज़ हैव फन, एन्जॉय, आई एम स्ट्रीमिंग राइट नाउ सो डोंट डिस्टर्ब, राइट? Hi Girish, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, thank you. I'm just working on my app, Rust app. Let me quickly show you as well. पैर दिख रहे हैं बक, झूठा। इसे फालतू जोक मारता है, पता है कि I will not trust you on that. The last person I am gonna trust is you on this. कर्टन के पीछे से था तो वो भूत नहीं है, तो समझ जाओ। वो भी उल्टे भाई साहब, ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है मोहित। अब मुझे डर डर लगने लगा है, ठीक है? दिस इज़ नॉट फेयर। Okay. So Yerush, by the way, just to give you a demo, this is our app that I've been working on. I think I hope you can see it. If not, I wish I could show you zoom करके, but I'm on Linux. So मैंने अभी इंस्टॉल किया नहीं है वो चीज़, बट या anyway, so this is the app. You can change your theme as well, right? When you open a folder, it will iterate through all the files. Then you can mark it as a correct or incorrect file, and that should work. So if I mark it as correct, so it says okay, current selection is correct. It also shows you the folder path and all the information that's needed. When you click on export, the whole data that is there, that's going to be exported to an output.json file in the home folder, right? The idea right now over here is because this last updated timestamp is also we are recording. So whenever you click on mark as correct, right, what I want to do is I want to record the timestamp when this was clicked. Okay, I want to store this into output.json file. Okay, so let me quickly show you. ये आप तो किधर दिखला लगता है, ये ऐप तो अच्छा ऐप, yes, who knows this better than you, bro. Anyway, so over here you see that this last update is null, which is wrong. Over here that it says 10:02, which is 2 minutes back, right? This is, I think, when I click the button as well. So we need to fix this last updated field, which is wrong right now. Okay, so that's what I've been working on along with all my friends in the stream right now who have done nothing except distracting me. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. I hope this gives you some context on what we are doing. And I'm doing this everything in Rust. So that's the best part of it, that I haven't used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, anything of those stuff. Okay, it can be best, it can be worst, depending on what kind of tech stack do you like. I like using Rest, so that's why I'm using it. But of course, if you like HTML, CSS, you can also use all of that for front end and JavaScript for back end, whatever. I have no idea. Anyways, okay, so this is why this is wrong, right? So let's actually update. That's cool. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's actually cool. Like, honestly, I know it sounds weird that I'm kind of saying this for myself, but it's actually really nice. Why this is wrong, right? Oh no, I meant like why this is wrong. Oh right, you know that kind of expression. If you're talking about what I said, -1 + 1. ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. Girish, I hope you are like comfortable in Hindi as well. Sometimes I talk in Hindi because there are few people who troll me regularly on this stream, so I have to respond to them in Hindi. Otherwise, they don't stop. I mean, they still won't stop, but yeah. For example, if I click on mark as incorrect, right, and let's say, hey, done. There you go. So this is okay. If I click on mark as correct, this is none. This is none. Let's export it now. See, this is like, this is good, right? So whenever, let's say, click on next, okay. Oh no, not this, next image. When I click on mark as correct, okay, so this is none. So this should be all good, right? So let me actually open, right? This last update is, why is it why is this null? Now this doesn't happen. What happened? Oh, because I went backwards, this kind of stopped. Oh, it was happening. It was just not showing me. Why? Okay. Let's delete this output.json file. It's gonna help us be more clear with the debugging. Let's click over here, select folder, src, select next. So over here, see, this is a render image.rs file. If I click on export, the timestamp is none. So it should actually show you the current timestamp, which is right only, okay? Because it's initializing right now, so it will always show you the current timestamp, okay? Now I'm gonna click on mark it as correct, okay? Click on export again. Nothing should change except that annotation is true, but last update is null now. Okay, yeah, I see what's happening. Because, see, the reason this is happening is because we are always updating the timestamp. Earlier we were not doing it, right? So what I can do is, if can I do or? I wish I could do it. Just like Python, right? I mean, or yeah, I can do or. This is nice. Or I can do or else. Okay, or else is what I'm looking for. If this is up there, then you use that. Otherwise, you let's save it as here. Let final timestamp. This is self.json object dot image to properties map dot get mute. No, I don't even need mute here. This is good. This is good. This is good. Why not? Why will it not fail? You needed a closure? Okay. You want a closure? I'll give you one closure. There you go. Even Rust needs closure, guys. So always make sure that you give closure to people in life. And sometimes it will even fail. Cannot move out of a shared reference. Yeah. Just because I use it now, it's gonna have problems. Alright, let's try and get mute. Nah, that's not gonna work like this, right? Thank you so much, Mohit. बस यहीं रुक जाना, आगे कुछ मत बोलना, ठीक है? Please. Yeah, I just check. Let's just check, right? If let final ts equal to sum. दिशा, ये क्या तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो भाई? कुछ हुआ है? Did you get the? अरे ये समझ रही होगी सब कुछ. Which is not. अभी आधा अधूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिला होगा दिशा को. नाउ शी विल बी क्यूरियस कि क्या बात चल रही है और शी वांट्स टू नो पूरा, और वो हम बताएंगे नहीं. दैट्स रूल नंबर 1 है ना मोहित? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं बताना है, राइट? हम लोग अच्छे बच्चे हैं. अरे यार नहीं दिक्कत है इसको. करेक्ट, गुड, थैंक यू सो मच भाई. दिशा, इसके स्ट्रीम के बाद ही आई एम गोना सेंड यू द मैसेज टू सेंड मी द कोड, ओके? बाय द वे, मुंबई कब आ रहे? तो मुंबई में है क्या मोहित? हाँ, तो आया नहीं अभी तक घर वापस? घर बसा लियो तुम अपना? ये गलत बात है ब्रो. दिस इज नॉट गुड. इसकी तो कंप्लेन करनी पड़ेगी. ये तो होना ही था. कल ही आया? अच्छा, I see. This should have been updated though. Okay, there you go, right? So now it is actually, this is fine. This is fine, okay? I don't mind it as long as all the files are at least getting updated. Now the point is why all the files are getting updated, right? So whenever I click on that button, for all the files, last updated field is getting updated to the latest time frame. You see, 10 10 10 10 22.67371265, kind of a cool time, right? Mohit is saying Kaliya. Okay, nice, yeah, nice. Right, so let's actually look at this last updated. Some final TS. All right. Now the point is, why is it getting updated for all the calls, right? I'm pretty sure that I know why this is happening, because over here what we are doing is we are setting it as none. Oh no, we are not setting it as none, are we? What's the default for? Guys, I'm sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. क्या मैं सो जाऊं? Should I sleep? Guys, if you're new to this stream, please say hi in the chat, okay? I know there are 6 people who are watching the stream, and एक बार hi बोल दो so that I know that you guys are here, क्योंकि next time हो सकता है I become the president of India, so I'll give you guys थोड़ा benefit of doubt, and तुम लोग 12 MPs जो choose होते हैं उनमें से you can be one, so you know you get that benefit, right? So like PT Usha ले लो for example. तो कैसे you know like all the skills and all matter. चलो उनके पास तो स्किल्स थी बट अपने पास नहीं है, सो तुम लोग को ऐसे ही काम करेगा. सो यू कैन से हाई एंड दी 6 people विल बी सिलेक्टेड फॉर राज्यसभा, राइट? सो यू गाइस कैन टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट योर लाइफ एंड ऑल वहाँ पे. दैट वुड बी सो कूल, राइट? सो हाँ, बस हाई बोलने में कुछ नहीं जाएगा, सो प्लीज़ गो एंड डू इट. ऑल राइट, ये यस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. यस. यार कमेंट एडिट में ही तो कर रहा हूँ मैं चेंज. अच्छा, ओके, ओ शिट, ऑल राइट. इवन दो Okay. This field is not unique, is it? बाय क्यों भाई मोहित? राज्यसभा में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना तुम्हें? भाई बहुत फायदा है वहाँ पे। एमएलए की तरह खड़ा भी नहीं होता इलेक्शन में शायद। आई डोंट नो कैसे वर्क करता है, मैं भूल गया। ठीक है, इन माय डिफेंस मुझे मतलब भी नहीं है ज़्यादा कि खड़ा होना ही नहीं होना है, मुझे उस चीज़ से मतलब नहीं है। बट डेफिनेटली वरीड अबाउट आवर नेशन। नॉट वरीड, हैप्पी। टेबल ठोकूं? यस। ता। शेम शेम शेम, ये करना। या यू कैन डू दैट ऑल ब्रो, आई अप्रिशिएट दैट। मुझे कुछ समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। why is it not working? Oh, I'm not in the right file. Okay, so over here this update is getting called for all the steps, right? And this current index is what? Okay. Mm. सही तो है यार। ओ वेट, thinking about it now. Let's do one more debugging. Okay, so look at the message that are being printed. Okay, पार्टी दे दो भाई। किस किस खुशी की भाई, किस खुशी की? मुझे बता, मुझे एक खुशी का रीज़न बता दे, मैं तुझे पार्टी दे दूंगा ब्रो, पक्का। टेल मी वन रीज़न दैट आई शुड बी हैप्पी फॉर एंड आई गिव यू पार्टी। तू जहाँ बोलेगा वहाँ पार्टी देंगे तुझे। बस आई अप्रिशिएट कि तू कोड वर्ड्स में बात करे, तो सही बात है ना दिशा, एग्जैक्टली राइट। कोई पॉइंट देना पड़ेगा तभी तो पार्टी मिलेगी, राइट? ऐसे थोड़ा ना मिलेगी। तो ये मजाक थोड़ा ना चल रहा है। क्या बोलते हैं, गॉड लेवल। ऑल राइट, चेक। See guys, when I click on done, right, so the timestamp is getting there. Now when I click on export, the problem is it gets updated for all the fields. माइक लेने की खुशी में, खुशी नहीं है वो, दुख है। ये दुख है, ठीक है? और ये दुख मैं सबके साथ बांटना चाहता हूँ। तो इफ यू गाइस वांट टू ऐसा कुछ बांटना है दुख मेरे साथ, तो यू गाइस आर मोर देन हैप्पी। आई मीन आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू इन्वॉल्व ऑल ऑफ यू इन द क्राउड फंडिंग ऑफ दिस माइक। बहुत बड़ा दुख है यार ये लेना। बट एनीवेज, क्या गलत हो रहा है? आई सी, सो टाइम स्टैम्प वाज नन। La 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 la. All right, so I'm just gonna print the current index and see what's happening, and थोड़ा वहाँ से clear हो जाएगा. So let's click on select folder. Let's click on src. Let's click on next. Over here, if I click on mark it as correct, current index is 0. सही तो है यार, क्या दिक्कत है? खुशी की खुशी में बहुत खुशियाँ हैं भाई जिंदगी में। You kind of work anywhere or building your own stuff? Oh, okay, that's a good question, yeah. So I definitely work at Abnormal Security, which is my company. And I do this every night. I used to do it every night before the streams. On all the side projects I do, I just do them live so that, you know, people can catch me doing it. Because not everything is ideal, right? When you're doing it, you feel सब कुछ smooth जाता है, that everything is so smooth, right? Here you go, everything is implemented. That's not true, right? So I wanted to do this. So I go live nowadays. Today is like after a long time. I think 2 weeks after I'm going live. So yeah, I work at Abnormal Security though. So it's like morning 6 o'clock. I wake up. Even though this was not your question, when do I wake up? But still, I'm telling you, around 7 o'clock to 4 to 5, I work. Then I go for dance classes. Then I come back. Then I cook food. Sorry, I'm so sleepy. पूछा किसी ने नहीं पूछा, राइट? दैट्स द पॉइंट यार, क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये सब? YT Elgo took me here. That's so good, right? YT Elgo should keep taking you to places which are really good. I hope you're enjoying it though. Please don't unsubscribe, or if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. But I'm all cool. Like honestly, I just wanted to do this stuff for you all. If anyone wants to just look at all these things. I dance. Yes, I dance. But whether I dance well or not, that's the point. That वो देखने वाले पे depend करता है, right? Do you know Hindi, Yarusht? Can you show? Why not, bro? Ta 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 ta. Done. खत्म. Okay. Yes. आ गए सब डांस करने में. देखो दिशा इज एक्टिव. मोहित आ गया. Subscribe in 2 times. No, no, no. Just subscribe 1 time. That's it. You guys want to see my dance? We'll do it on 1,000 subscribers. Only 800, guys. For 2 years I've been streaming. Only 800 subscribers. More than 400 students are of my college. They haven't subscribed, I know. A lot of them are just, they don't care. मैं 2 बार like किया. I subscribe for my 10 kids. You have 10 kids, Disha? Oh, 10 IDs. Oh, sorry. I'm sleepy. You have 10 IDs. Why do you have 10 IDs, Disha? Can you enlighten us all? Yarush, how many IDs do you have? Like Disha has 10 IDs, right? Anyone knows why would you have 10 IDs? You all know why she has 10 IDs. Smart girl. IT जोधपुर वाले बड़े लोग हैं भाई. गिटहब की भी 2 IDs रखते हैं. जीमेल तो छोड़ो, है ना? बड़े लोग. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. करंट इंडेक्स आ तो रहा है यहाँ पे. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये ज़िंदगी में? 1 ID फॉर 1 पर्पस. अच्छा, ऐसे कौन से 10 पर्पस है मुझे बता दो, गिना दो. ओ 9 boyfriends. Now my friend from India is teaching some Hindi. It's a great language along with country. Is it? Where you from, Yarush? I'm so sorry I've been speaking Hindi in between. I know I shouldn't have. But where you from? I can always talk in English. I know English. Kunchum kunchum. Kunchum kunchum. I think in some South Indian language means little. Thoda thoda. Thoda thoda in Hindi means little. Oh God, I'm teaching. Oh, I should focus on rest, guys. Sorry. हे भगवान, दिशा सच पता लग गया. ओके, गॉड लाइक. चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस या कुंचुम दैट्स व्हाट आई सॉ. यस. क्रेडिट्स. हाय इंडियन सोल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आई एम सो ग्लैड that you are joining. Indian soul, we're just talking about Indian languages and that's a cool name. What's so Indian about your soul though? Did you have dinner? Was it Indian dinner? Guess who? Guess who? Okay, it's kind of hard to guess. Indian soul. Okay. Indian soul. Are you Mr. Prime? I mean, are you Narendra Modi? He's the Indian soul right now. 1 ID for job applications, etc. Other for social media account IDs. 1 for using on website so I don't get my main email ID sold. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Focus on this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a truth. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know what's happening. Okay, so Disha Chavan is a girl who is in our chat right now. Okay, I know her personally. I mean, right now she says she has 10 email IDs. Okay, Indian soul, thank you so much. You just had breakfast. Okay, that means you are in the US. So good morning. Ta-da! Yarush, you are from Britain but currently residing in New York for my FOR. FOR is what? I don't know but that's good to know. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining. For my work. Okay, guys, now focus on this question. Okay, so Disha has 10 IDs. Okay, now Disha says 1 ID is for job applications. Okay, etc. Okay, we'll ignore etc. So let's say 1 ID is for job applications. Then how many are left? 9 IDs are left. Okay, now 9 IDs, 1 other are for social media account IDs. Okay, so how many social media accounts will she have? Okay, of course a lot of fake accounts then. So you guys are getting what I mean, right? Then she has 1 for using on websites so I don't get my main email ID sold. What kind of websites will she log in on that she'll fear that her main email ID will be sold. We all log in on all our websites by our primary email, right? So why would you need another email to log in on another website? Unless until that website is unsafe. I'll stop here and I'll let you all make the guesses. Okay, you guys can make the guesses in the chat. Disha will approve. I have 9 made for mid-journey, free trials, etc. each, and for one new Discord account. Okay, Chat GPT, Insta, Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, etc. Disha, like, okay, so many websites sell our email addresses to spam. So okay, in the future you have to log in on 20 websites. You can't have 20 email IDs, right? So why do you have 10 email IDs? See, Buggy was honest. Buggy was honest. I have 9 made for Midjourney free trials. I don't know Midjourney what that is. I'll have to search about it. We might need to protect us from governments. Okay. In the US maybe. In India anyways no one is safe, bro. Now one email ID to get spammed because I won't check it. Exactly, right? I don't get spam emails. Any spam emails I get, they go into the spam filter. Right? Where did you log in? Where you're getting a lot of spams? That's my only question. Yeah, Yarush, 6 emails is still fine, right? Including work ID. So I think then that means you have 5. Midjourney. It's an AI, bro. I haven't heard. I don't do a lot of AI nowadays. Your Midjourney is in independent research lab. Okay. I'll the homepage is itself scary, so I'm not gonna open it. Anyways. So what do we have? Just let's quickly. I'm distracted. Guys, I'm distracted. Disha, do you have any? Mine also includes college ID. So nine more. See, everyone is told where do they log in. For example, Buggy has said, okay, Midjourney. Yarush, you can probably tell us as well, like you have 5 Gmails. So 5 is still fine. Why do you have 9 Gmail accounts? Why? The whole nation wants to know. That's it. I rest my case, Your Honor. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope I made all of you proud. Okay, this is working now. Yay, guys, this is working. For example, Jio, Myntra, etc. spam daily 4 times. Okay, a cat has 9 lives. Wow. See, everyone is on Disha's side today. Okay, fine. No one is giving my side. Okay, fine. All right, I'll stop. Okay, I see. Okay. Let me quickly check, guys, whether... Alright. Okay, guys, this is done. Guys, congratulations. This has been fixed. See? बातों ही बातों में क्या हो गया? See? So what we have done? God level. Right? So what has happened now? When we click on this button, you say, let's say, da-da-da-da-da-da. This is the comment you want to add. You click on done. So this is the timestamp that should be seen over there, 10:26:42. When I click on export, right, ta-da, and all the other timestamps are intact. They haven't changed, which is awesome, right? मैं इसकी पार्टी दे दो. +1 कौन कर रहा है? किस बात पे +1 कर रहे हो देशा? कोई पार्टी वार्टी नहीं मिलेगी. पहले कोड कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा, फिर पार्टी देने की बारी आएगी. By the way, Yarush, thank you so much for joining. I forgot to thank you again. I know you are living in New York, so I guess it's early for you. I mean, not too early, I know. Indian Soul, thank you so much for joining as well. Do I know you, Indian Soul, by the way? Do I know you? Do we know each other? Or do you know me? Or do I know you? That's something we have to figure out. Party, deal. Okay, yes. Yes, first you complete that, then we'll party. And once that objective is complete, yes. Although you haven't started yet. That's kind of disappointing, yeah. Indian Soul, we know each other. Is it? Okay, nice. Are you... No, I can't even make a guess. Indian Soul. Okay, I have a question. Are you living in the US or are you living in Canada? No, Disha, don't lie. There are two people who don't lie. One is kids, the other is Shakira song. Yes, we don't know each other. Okay. Okay. Do we know each other for more than 5 years? Canada. Ah, Alam Jot Mangat. What's up? Thank you so much for joining. Ki hal chal? Thank you so much. See, I know. I guess I made the right choice, right? I mean, where do you live? Maybe we can connect. Yeah, I live in India. We can connect for sure. You can find me on Twitter. Guys, by the way, please, recently I've been getting a lot of followers on Twitter. So let's not stop, okay? If you are new over here, if you don't want to subscribe on YouTube channel, it's totally fine. But do follow Twitter, okay? Mention not subteak. That's so good to know. Indian Soul. Alam, what kind of username do you have, Indian Soul? You're living in Canada. Put it Canada Soul. This is not fair. I'll complain about this. Anyways, guys, we have done it. Congratulations for staying here. And yes, Yarish, I live in India. I live in Bangalore. Wow. Wow, Disha. Nice cover up. Nice cover up. You're doing good. I see. See, we're getting it. But yeah, say nice. This is my user ID for YouTube. Okay. Nice. Yeah, nice name. Indian Soul. Again, I repeat, put it Canada Soul. You're not in India. Which is kind of sad. But it's okay. That's life. Important fix for load last updated timestamp. Indian songs. Oh, you sing na? Chalo ho jayega na. Guys, now Indian Soul is gonna sing us a song. Soup song. Flop song. Just followed expecting some hot rust takes. Ah. Okay. You want some hot rust takes, bro? Okay, let's do it now. Let's do it. Let's add some hot rust takes. Okay. Let's do it now only. Okay, I'm gonna. My friend is also from Bangalore. Wait, was it? Nice. I'm gonna take this screenshot buggy. I'm gonna. Okay. What would that hot rust take be? Rust. I think my hot take, Pramijan, yeah, he'll be. Honestly, I don't wanna use him to advertise my channel. अरे यार ये सब नहीं होता मुझसे. What? How should I do it? Yeah, say. I'll have to create a meme out of it. I'll do it later. I think I can do it now. I can create a meme. I can put this photo over here. He's from Indranagar. You're a from India, no? Make it Twitter size image. In that case, I'll have to include all these messages, yeah? Papa P will also go. Alam, congratulations. You're on Twitter. Disha, you're going to be on Twitter. Congratulations. Hey, why? I can just update. I think I can update this here because this will be good. Yeah. Then I can edit probably and I can have. Nah. I'll have to go and edit. We like it. Oh, Papa. Hi. Thank you so much for joining in. No, send me. I'll edit for you. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. This is the kind of efforts we need, Disha. We need to keep this going on. I'm gonna send you. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm gonna take the screenshot. Disha, I'm gonna give you some benefit or doubt. I'm gonna send this whole chat as a screenshot. Although you could have, I mean, I'm not doing much help by sending the screenshot, but yeah. Thank you so much. Nice. I don't know how to do it. I've been off for a few days. Anyone got access to Llama yet? Nope. What else is going on? Will Carbon replace C++? Nope. Never. Congratulations. The master plans for plasma is QT6 only. Cute. Nice. What else is going on? The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Yeah, Indian professors. Go and read this book. That's all they do. Though I still feel that that's the right approach to teach, right? You let us know the syllabus, you let us know the reference books, we'll study ourselves, right? Guys, if you're new, by the way, please feel free to subscribe. Do we have a new subscriber yet? Ah, nice. 2 people subscribed. Yay. Na 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 na. Ha 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 da 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 da. Shenigan visa is gonna be my first international trip. Oh, congratulations. Shenigan visa. They got Shenigan visa. What happened? If you sit for more than 6 hours a day, read this. Okay, I'm gonna read this now, guys. What do they have to say? Sitting for long periods can lead to poor posture, obesity and weight gain, neck, shoulder and low back pain, increased risk for depression, anxiety already. सब कुछ तो है even without sitting for long periods. Below are 6 exercises to do so you can start reversing the dangerous effects of sitting. Okay. The McGill crunch, side plank holds, focused and activated bird dogs. 2 of these I don't know. The 1 I can do. Okay. So I shared them here. Alright guys, if you guys wanna check this tweet, go to my Twitter profile, find the retweet, and you can see that there. India does have a professional problem. Professional problem. Oh, I thought professional problem. Wait, 8 more subscribers coming, is it? Thank you, thank you. Abhinav, hey bro, what's up? Thank you so much for joining, yeah. Welcome. Oh, sorry. Alright, okay. Guys, I think today we fixed a few bugs, by the way. If you're new, if you are not sure what have we fixed, let me quickly link that to you. So you can always go to my profile, image annotator Rust. You can go to this PR. This is where I'm working on, and these are the changes we have done today. And guys, please feel free to give this repo a star. For some reason, this only has 3 stars. One of them is me, and of course one of them is Mohit. So yeah, it has a lot of work. HANA 11 commits release has been made as well. So you can actually try this out. If you go over there, you will see a Linux binary, you'll see a macOS binary, and you'll see a Windows binary as well. So if you're on any operating system, you can actually just download and try to run this. That's it. That is how easy Rust is, no bullshit about this cross-platform thing and all. Everything is gone, you see. So yeah, that is it. I think we can stop today's stream now. If anyone is here, for one last time, guys, say hi in the chat so that I know that you guys are here. And then let's say bye to each other. We are 10:36 p.m. We started 9:30. Started around 9:30. Mac or PC? I have a built PC. I mean, if that's what you mean, custom built PC, yeah. But I do have Mac for work. Let's not talk about laptops and systems, I guess, with me. But yeah, that's all I have. Mohit, thank you so much for being here. Yeah, thank you so much, Disha, for being here. Thank you so much, Yerusht, for being here. Who else is there? Thank you so much, Abhinav. Thank you so much, Buggy. We should talk more about the India has professional problem. How many new subscribers do I have? Oh wow. Godlike. Wow. Thank you so much, Disha. 807. Kind of feeling good as well, but also feeling bad at the same time. This is just from you. No one else is interested on my YouTube. But yeah, thank you so much. Really appreciate this. You know how much I appreciate all the support that I get. It's very kind of it's very kind of you all for being here, and spending time. No one does it usually for development streams. So I'm glad that you guys are here. I hope you learned something new as well. If not, at least I made you smile for 10 to 12 times, I hope. If not, then let me know. Next time I'll be more funnier. I mean, more funny. No, I'll next time be funnier. Let's just settle on that, yeah. English is confusing. Because what happened that I started using more, then I realized funny. But then more funny doesn't suit, right? Okay, if you ever need to rant about scammers and and bad professors, let me know, always there for that. Hey, yes, let's do a stream of that. I've been planning to do a Ask Me Anything stream where we can do an AMA kind of a thing. You know, let's do it tomorrow. Are you guys up? Everyone? Everyone? All 8 people who are here, all 7 now. Someone just left on the name of AMA. So thank you so much for all the support, the 8th guy. But let's do an AMA tomorrow. How many of you will attend? Buggy, will you attend? Disha, will you attend? Yarush, will you attend? Abhinav, will you attend? Mohit, you will attend, bro. I know. See, I don't have to ask you. That's the thing. You'll have to answer every question. I'll answer every single question. No limits. No limits at all. Start teaching programming languages just to grow your channel. Yeah. Yeah. See, like, honestly speaking, I'll be very honest here. Yarush, if you can come tomorrow, I'm going to answer this. Because this has come to my mind a lot. See, my channel is not growing in terms of subscribers. But that was not the aim of this channel. Like, I didn't want to go viral based on the content that is stupid. You see, like, Rust has a really good documentation, and I'm not worthy to teach Rust, for example. Although at some stage I might have to, right? Because if that's how the world is gonna work, I might just do it. You see? So I think I've been innocent for too long now. I'm still the same guy. I'm not gonna change very early. But let's see how the world, reacts and how everything teaches me whatever they want to teach though. Disha, truthfully, yes. मैं कर लेता हूँ एमए. मोहित को पता ही है सब कुछ. Everything about me, A to Z, God level. Yarush, tech developers may have low growth rate. Yeah. I mean, see, a few developers have really good growth rate based on. See, I don't have disrespect for them, to be honest, and I'm no one to comment on those people as well. But I would say honestly that they can make really like far better content if they actually knew development. Like Asli Engineering is a really good channel. You see, that guy, he is like, I see that he has been doing a lot of YouTube on Twitter now. Like, I mean, he's been talking about a lot of his YouTube content on Twitter, right? Uh, he only does system design stuff, no bullshit, which is something I like. But I think he might change paths very soon. I'm kind of confused right now, but he's something I respect. Used to, not sure about now. I don't know him personally, so I'm gonna refrain from respecting anyone. Buggy says, please don't give in the Bhaiya Didi meta good community. Better than stupid cults. Yeah, definitely. Yes, exactly. See, that's the whole point, right? That is just pure bullshit. Like, I have zero amount of respect for those people, and I expect the same from them as well. That they don't have respect for me. It's mutual. But then I don't have disrespect for them as well because I don't know them. That's the point. That's something I've learned. Like, have very strong opinions on everything, but before you go on the negative side, know it pretty well. So I don't know it pretty well, but I have no respect of whatever they make, right? They have no idea how they are destroying the Indian culture. That's why. भैया दीदी मतलब वो अपना या आई डोंट या yes सब वही हैं यार, सब वही लोग हैं. That's the right YouTuber name. Yeah. सब लोग बर्बाद करके रखे हैं. Honestly, the whole community is spoiled because of that. Let's talk more on that tomorrow, guys. Let me ask this question again. Buggy, Yarush, Mohit, Disha, since you all are here, let me ask you: is 10 p.m. tomorrow okay, or should we do 9:30? Actually, we can do 10 because 7:30 dance classes. 8:20 I'll come back. 8:45 I'll start cooking food. 9:30 I'll finish my dinner. 10 o'clock I'll come live. That sounds good. Are you guys gonna come tomorrow? Stream dance class, yes. Okay, thank you. That was the dance class. Yay. Okay. Thank you so much, Buggy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go. Today, you wanna comment something on layoff in tech field? Ah, yeah, why not? Uh, I've been through this. So it's a, sometimes I laugh about it. I talk very casually about my layoff, for example, when I was laid off before, right? I have a job right now, but that's something maybe we can talk tomorrow in detail. Right now, I think it's gonna, like, this is something I've not expressed, like my emotions honestly about it, because it has made me stronger. It has made me realize, it has made me like realize a few things about the tech industry, like one thing is company is a company, for example, don't make it your life. Don't make anyone your life, in the same field, your company, your any partner, for example, they're not your life. You are an individual. You should be complete in that sense. Financially, of course, industry is going to support you, but that doesn't mean that you're nothing without that company. If they can lay you off and they can still fail, they're still failing, I guess. Okay, no comment on that. I'm gonna refrain commenting on that part today. Let's talk about all the controversial things tomorrow, guys. Join me tomorrow, 10 p.m. IST. Garush, I know you're from India, by the way. You're just kidding that you're from New York, I know, but that's okay. If you wanna act like you're from New York, that's all good, bro. All right, guys. I'm gonna go. Disha, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Not gonna comment further. On this layoff thing, but yeah, it's like a lot of people have been affected, but it was supposed to come, right? Like, uh, we had no other way around. You know, this was bound to happen. So this happened. Yeah. Let's talk tomorrow. But of course, it's like COVID, right? Not everyone deserved to have COVID. Now, just because of few people, good people also died. So it's like this, that because of the industry, the way it behaved, the way our employees behaved in India, you know, we started taking things for granted. Of course, layoffs will happen. See, like Google CEO made it clear 1 year back. Guys, industry is down. Please start working hard. Right? Sundar already warned. This is a high time. This is a high time. No. Google employees wanted to take free food, free massage. Not everyone. See, that's what happens when you give a lot of freedom that people don't even require, right? There are few things that you don't need freedom for. Like, if I'm in my office, I don't need the freedom to use my mobile. It's okay if you say that please don't use your mobile. Work. I'm getting paid for it. You ask me what I need to do 9 to 5, or whatever working hours are, if there are any. Of course, with some limits. Just because this is a trend that's going on, you don't have to indulge yourself in work from home, for example. If you think your company culture is not around work from home, don't do it. Of course, during COVID times that was necessary, but then the companies carried it on, right? My father used to go to the office daily, even in COVID times, right? So it's not like people didn't go. Like, of course, health was important, but financial stability is important, right? So if you will ask me, even during COVID, one of my startups asked me to come to Bangalore. I went. I said, like, I have to, I can't be at home and not earn money as well. I'll go and I'll take care of myself the best I can. If this is a pandemic and if no one should go outside, the government will say. So I think there's a lot to discuss. We'll do it tomorrow, guys. Um, I will just keep on extending the stream, I guess. 806 subscribers. Someone unsubscribed. Wow. Any tips on how to write output or JSON files? What do you mean output or JSON files? Value edit. Thank you so much for joining, first of all. If you want to write output or JSON files, just open output or JSON. Write. That's it. Or just go to my repository and copy and paste. That's it. Hope you're trolling, by the way, with this question. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. And don't get addicted to Velo. There's no use. Don't get addicted to anything in life. Yeah, try not to. You tomorrow streaming, yes. So Yarush, I'm gonna stream tomorrow 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. If you are really from New York, which of course I'm gonna trust on because, okay, that's how life is. Then yes, please join me if that's possible for you all. 10 p.m. tomorrow, guys. 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Today I'm just gonna take your leave. Take care, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me quickly name all of those who are here. Yarush, Disha, Buggy, Mohit. Abhinav was here for a second or so. Papa was here, of course. Mummy were here. Indian Soul, thank you so much. Alam for being here. That's it. And of course, Value Addict, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Try to come. Thank you. Thank you, Yarush. Okay. Take care everyone. See ya. Bye. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye. And of course, please follow my Twitter, by the way. Sorry. Acha ba. Good night, pa. So jao, please. Good night. Bye bye, people from chat. Please make more accounts and stuff. Have controversial opinions and learn new them. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely have controversial opinions. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. I mean, you should just have opinions, you know. It's okay. You can be judgmental about everything. I don't mind doing that. I think it's a good thing. You should filter out people very soon in your life before it spoils your life. So yeah, it's always good to be opinionated. Okay, just don't express it too much in front of others. That's all I would say. I mean, choose where you want to express. Yeah, will this continue tomorrow? Yes, Yerusht. Tomorrow is going to be Ask Me Anything session. So we'll take questions from all of you. I'm going to answer them all. I'm going to be honest about them. Okay. So yeah, see you tomorrow, everyone. Bye. Take care. Add my Twitter. Add my on Twitter. Yeah. I don't know what you mean, but you can always follow me on Twitter. Let me quickly share this link with you. Okay. Perfect, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much. I'm gonna log out now. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye.